just missed the street performer. This guy was spinning a ball on top of that umbrella, and the umbrella was poisoned on his nose, and then he was juggling and stuff. It was pretty awesome.
I was wondering who you were talking to.
Just give him some change. On the hillside right there is Trump's wall, like down in front of us. See the big red long wall that separates America from Mexico, and we're on the Mexican side. That's right, Mexa side, they call it. And there's the no-go zone down there in the valley. This will be an awesome view when we crest this. Watch this.
Keep left to continue on scenic Tijuana Ensenada.
What do you think of Mexico? Huh? You're in Mexico, homie! Jesus says hello. Jesus says hello. Hello, Jesus. See Jesus up there. Awesome. Look at, he's hanging out, watching over us. Managi, are you watching over us? Are you having fun, Managi? Yeah. Hey, how's it going? So, we're just cruising. We made it down to La Mision in just south of Rosarita, just above Ensenada in Mexico, and we're taking a walk down to the beach. We got a cool Airbnb little place that my friend Trisha booked for us, and I'll show you that later. It's just a cool little hacienda with a cool porch, great view over this little river valley down here below us, you can see. And way down there is the beach this way, and we're just gonna take this path. Supposedly leads us to a trail that she put us down into the Vallejo. Boy, I butchered that one. But anyways, it's a short walk, 10 minutes down to the beach supposedly, so hopefully we can find that. We're on the magic pathway to the beach. The secret, top secret trail. Kind of cool, this fencing. Look at this. This fencing's cool, look at this. That's kind of nice and natural. Cool succulents. Some little Spanish horses. You can do trail rides down here. Here's everything you don't want to do in the water. You don't want to take your vehicle in the water. You don't want to hunt in the water. You don't want a motorboat. No net fishing, no wood fires, no motorcycles, no littering, and no alcohol. It kind of sounds like California. No to everything. So this is Highway 1. Down in El Mexico. That way is US border. That way is southern Baja. Baja El Norte is where we're at. Pretty cool. Lots of food stands and stuff. We'll maybe get a snack or something. Nope. Come here. It's glass. We're down here on the beach, La Playa, in just above Ensenada. Nagi's having some fun. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Right on. Anyways, we're enjoying the beach. It's beautiful. Water's a little chilly. I don't think I'd go swimming because I'd be pucker factor for sure, but otherwise it's pretty nice. And it's beautiful. Look at this. Just goes on and on and on. Mostly Mexican tourists down here. Don't see any other white people down here hanging out, at least not for today, but you never know. It's all right. Pretty cool. Yeah. Trisha sampling El Buco, the coconut.
Fantastico.
There you go. Right on. Well, you heard it. That's from a professional coconut drinker right there.
I had to. I couldn't resist.
Check it out. Fish tacos, pescado, and camarón. She's gonna try her taco for the second time. She already took a bite off camera, but we're pretending like she
I'm
did it.
normally not a fan of tacos, but how can you resist that?
Mouthful of taco.
Get them making that.
Some what?
Get them making the tacos.
That's the hard part. Yeah, it's okay. All right, we're gonna try these. All right,
So good.
fresh fish tacos.
This really, I taste all the flavors. It's so much better than the Encinitas tacos.
So good.
So good, right?
So good.
Taste all the flavors.
So I had to share this with you. Oh my God, how amazing. We got this cool little breakfast place just on a whim. Saw this place and pulled over as I was driving. But check this out. I want to show you where we're eating breakfast because it's amazing. Look, so we're just sitting right here, right? This table. And look at our view. How amazing is that? It's just beautiful. What do you think, Trisha? Pretty cool? She approves. Trisha approves, so we're good. Anyways, we're gonna eat, have some coffee, and enjoy the breakfast, and then maybe check out parts of Ensenada. That's where we are right now. We just drove down this morning, about 40 kilometers from where we are staying. But just a little phenomenal place. Pretty amazing view for breakfast, huh?